So you successfully completed your deferred adjudication probation in the state of Texas. What do your rights look like now? What happens after you've completed deferred probation? In Texas, under Article 42A.111a, upon successful completion of a deferred adjudication community supervision, a judge is required to dismiss the proceedings against the defendant. So that's important because when a judge dismisses any proceedings against a defendant, that means there is no final conviction. So if you've successfully completed your deferred adjudication probation, your probation has been dismissed, there's no final conviction in your case. It is done like this because it shows that you have successfully complied with the terms of your probation and any terms set out by the court during the term of your probation. So however long you were on probation, you successfully complied with the terms of your probation and the case against you has been dismissed. Once this process happens, it releases you from all of the penalties associated with your probation. So if you had restrictions on your probation, like you needed to have an interlock on your car, if you had a DWI deferred probation, or if you had a prohibition about going to a certain place, then those restrictions will be dismissed and you're released from the restrictions at that point. One question that we get frequently here in Texas is, if you complete deferred probation successfully, are you able to own a gun again, or are your gun rights restored, or can you vote? Because a deferred probation is not a final conviction. So if you're on a felony deferred adjudication probation, it's not a final conviction once you've successfully completed it. So you are able to have a gun, your gun rights are not affected, and you are able to vote because you're not a convicted felon. Another benefit of a deferred adjudication probation is that you should be eligible to get a nondisclosure in certain cases. So after a period of time, once you've completed that deferred adjudication probation successfully, you've waited a certain waiting period and you haven't gotten any other new charges, then you can get a nondisclosure, which is a type of record sealing. These are just some of the benefits to a deferred adjudication probation. If you're wondering if this information applies to you, the attorneys here at Varghese Summersett are more than happy to help you. Reach out to us at versustexas.com or give us a call at 817-203-2220.